Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Options, and welcome to this trade review of a recently closed trade ID number 532. This was on stock symbol JD. As you can see, this was a long strangle in our volatility portfolio, which is primarily comprised of strangles. Now we set up our strangles to where we have the best delta to generate the greatest acceleration through the gamma. In this case, notice the strikes are separated significantly. The put was down at a 62.5 strike and the call was at a 95 strike. A lot of people, when they look at this, think that there's no way this can generate a gain because it has to move too far. Not true. The way we set up our strangles, all we need is a decent move. It doesn't matter which direction. So when we look at the entry alert that was sent out to our subscribers, you can see that we had a very nice Elliott wave corrective symmetrical triangle. Now when you look at the chart of JD prior to the consolidation into the triangle, you can see it moved up, it moved down, it moved up, it moved down. Which way is it going to break? Well, we don't care in the triangle. And we have a really low ADX, which again is our indicator telling us that we've been in an extended consolidation phase and we're likely to break out sooner rather than later. And that's exactly what happened with JD. So you take a look at the breakout, again remembering the width of the strikes and the fact that the stock moves a lot, but it moves up and down. In this case, it broke to the downside, consolidated a bit, tested the breakout, and then made the significant move lower. And we're down here at support around that 62.5 strikes, so we haven't even moved in the money yet on the put, and yet we still were able to generate a gain. And if you take a look, nearly 30%, which is our average range for our strangles. 30 to 70% is the norm, but in only 16 days. And we usually are in these 21 to 25 days or so. So a little shorter in time frame, right around where the average is on the amount of gain. With the stock coming down to support, it was the appropriate time to go ahead and take the profit. So you're seeing a few different examples of how these strangles work on these breakout moves, and I hope you're finding this informative. Look forward to talking to you again next time. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.